So I'm gonna do some fricassee chicken, and I'm using different parts of a chicken. I am using legs, wings, thighs, carcass, and breasts, just different section of the chicken. I leave the skin intact, and then I wash with lime and water, drain, and then pat dry. So I am gonna season the chicken with a little bit of salt, just a little bit. And you know, people might say, then if I use spices, why I use salt? I still have to use a little bit of salt. A lot of people that say they are using spices, so they're not gonna use salt. Them use salt off camera because they're afraid of being attacked. So I'm not afraid of being attacked. So right on camera I use the salt. So I have to add a little bit of salt to the chicken. Yeah, man. So I'm using a combination of spices. Yes, that amount. You don't have to use that amount. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to use the spices that I use. However, I use a little bit of Maggi chicken season, Maggi all-purpose, onion powder, complete seasoning, jerk seasoning. That's the Maggi jerk seasoning, black pepper, and I use another one. I don't remember the name, but I know I use onion powder and another one. However, like I mentioned before, you don't have to use the seasoning that I use. I have quite a few young people who are following me, and you know, these seasoning are expensive in Jamaica, so you can use only the Maggi chicken season, the Maggi all-purpose, black pepper, and probably paprika if you want. However, I'm not using paprika. So I'm gonna season the chicken with all of that. Yeah, man. And then rub it in. So I'm using some fresh herbs as well. I'm using onion and add peppers. Well, add pepper, few slices, as well as sweet pepper and garlic. However, I'm not gonna use the seasoning to put on the chicken right now because I will have to pick them off and me just can't bother right now. So I just put the fresh herbs into a different container, right? A Dutch pot is on medium low heat, and I am pouring in some vegetable oil, not a lot. So the oil is hot, I can smell it, and I don't want it to be extremely hot to the point where it starts to smoke, right? So I am gonna add pieces of chicken right now. The chicken is brown. By the way, I brown the chicken on medium low heat. It is mostly on low than medium. So the oil in the pot is too much. So I will pour off some of the oil, then I am going to saute the fresh herbs. Saute the fresh herbs for about 2 to 3 minutes, just to allow them to soften a bit and to release their flavors into the oil. Add enough water and cook the fresh herbs for about 5 minutes before adding the chicken. This is optional, but I did added some fish and meat sauce and of course ketchup. After 5 minutes, add the chicken and then spoon over the gravy onto the chicken. Cover and allow to cook for about, I would say, 4 to 5 minutes. And that's it. Jamaican Fricassee chicken. Thanks for watching.